that's can characterize sometimes the difference between the sort of wellness space versus the well-being space, where the wellness space does seem to be characterized a little bit more by physical well-being, physical wellness, but also a bit of competition in terms of what the wellness looks like, and a bit of exclusionary approach, right? In terms of there's a certain phenotype that fits best, right? And it might be a white, slim woman of a certain age and who's physically active and so on. But well-being is something much broader. It's about all those things that impact our health, our jobs, our environments, our communities, and our experiences of discrimination are part of that. So if we have a broader sense of health as something that's relational, we can take some action that supports ourselves almost as a political act, right? To say, this is my responsibility to do this in the face of challenge as a way to support my community. With that said, I don't want to insinuate that resilience means having to endure in the face of really oppressive conditions, right? Resilience shouldn't be about our individual ability to cope with stuff that is unfair, unjust, and unhealthy. But we can build our collective resilience, or the resilience of our systems and their ability to help us sustain in a better and more healthy way by doing it together. So, again, shifting that focus to community care as related to self-care just makes it, from my perspective, makes it a bit easier to take some of those steps and to do the work if we feel we're helping other people at the same time. Right. So, and social prescribing would be about, finding ways to help us address some of those conditions in our lives. If we're trying to improve our autonomy and our competence, maybe we're going to be connected to advocacy and activism groups. Maybe we're going to be connected to culturally safe and culturally appropriate mental health services, those kinds of things. It's not going to be a replacement for any medical care that we do need, but it can supplement that and it can take us in new directions.